Keylor Navas in goal. Bernat plays alongside Thomas Meunier in the full-back positions. Marco Verratti plays today with Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. In attack, Edinson Cavani partners up with Mauro Icardi. This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Marcelo starts with Carvajal in the full-back positions. Luka Modric starts with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Cavani! Off the keeper, back. Well, they've gone for it right from the off, and they've got their reward with an early opening goal here.
Oh, I always used to love scoring these type of goals when you're there first. It feels good, this.
And that's a goal well worth analysing again. And it's out wide for Paris Saint-Germain. Idrissa Gueye taking on the defenders. Clever thought with the pass attack, but the execution helped. Bale. He's aimed for the far post here. A chance to whip it in here. Coming towards the near post is Bale, they're looking for it. That's a goal for Real Madrid.
Well, it was a decent move, and to get some space in a crowded penalty area.
Different angle on it here.
Great news for the manager, because I think he made a couple of changes there, and now they're back on level terms.
Well, they keep moving the ball here. Neymar. Well, they've got the opposition on the back foot with this break. They're coming at them with numbers. Neymar. Maybe a chance on the cross for Cavani. Cross it now, it could. A chance. Verratti. Neymar. Verratti. He can cut it back now. Saved by the... They've scored! And they've gone into the lead. And undoubtedly deserved. They have been by far the superior side. And they really imposed their will on the opposition. Too good, really, for the defending. And the shot in the end far too good for the goalkeeper.
Oh, I always used to love scoring these type of goals when you're there first. It feels good, this.
Another angle on it here. He's looking for the cross. Eden Hazard. Modric. Hazard. The assistant has raised the flag for offside. "15 minutes to go." Great ball. This is how they love to play on the break. Well, the keeper's done well to keep that one out.
Yeah, they've been brilliant, but it's been a close game, and you wouldn't put it past the visitors to nick a goal back.
Cavani. This should wrap it up. And the ball's in. It's a goal. It's his third goal. It's a hat-trick today. He's really been on form.
Well, you have to say he's been unplayable today, Martin. What a performance. Fine finishing.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal.
l'Inter 3-4-1-2, in porta Andanovic, Skriniar, De Vrij, Godin in difesa, Barella, Brozovic, Young, Eriksson, centrocampo con Asamoah, a ridosso di Sanchez, Lukaku. Per il Bayern Monaco 4-3-3, Neuer in porta con Davis, Alaba, Boateng, Pavard, difesa Thiago, Goretzka, Kimmich, centrocampo con in attacco Coutinho, Lewandowski e Müller. Palla sulla corsia Young, dribbla Pavard, Lukaku in aria, ma c'è Neuer. Dribbla Brozovic, tentato di trovare Lukaku ancora Brozovic, il tiro e gol! Grande gol dell'Inter, intesa fra Lukaku e Brozovic. Che giocata, amici! Grande gol di Brozovic, gran gol dell'Inter. Siamo sull'1-0 della partita Inter-Bayern Monaco. Grande occasione intesa fra Lukaku e Brozovic, che Brozovic non fallisce. Il guizzo su Asamoah spinge a cercare Sanchez, il colpo di testa di Young. Che gol ha fatto Young, grande azione dell'Inter, raddoppio meritato. L'Inter sta stravolgendo il Bayern di Monaco, gol di classe di Ashley Young, ex giocatore del Manchester United. Ora il Bayern di sotto di 2-0, deve segnare al più presto. Ora Goretzka in attacco, Goretzka pressa il Bayern Monaco ora. Goretzka, ancora lui, che giocatore. Goretzka al cross, tentare. Diamo ora al calcio di punizione di Alaba, a cercare Lewandowski, ma De Vrij c'è. Ora il cross di Goretzka, non c'è. Andrea cerca Lukaku, Eriksson, Lukaku in aria, Lukaku, tentativo, il tiro, gol di Lautaro Martinez. Che gol stupendo dell'Inter e siamo sul 3-0. Che gol bellissimo, azione fra Eriksson, Lukaku in aria, trova in scivolata Lautaro Martinez, meritato il 3-0. L'Inter, che partitona sta avendo qui a San Siro. Un'ottima ovviamente incursione Martinez di Eriksson con Asamoah, spinge sulla fascia, Asamoah, ancora lui tenta di trovare il cross, gol, grande gol del 4-0, ancora ovviamente Lautaro Martinez, doppietta per il numero 10 dell'Inter. Grande azione fra Asamoah e lo stesso Lautaro Martinez. Inter con Eriksson, Lukaku, che partitona di Lukaku. Asamoah spinge Eriksson, dribbla Martinez, ancora lui il cross a cercare Lukaku, colpo di testa. Ora Kimmich, Lewandowski, Müller a cercare Coman in aria, il cross, colpo di testa. Vediamo in aria, colpo di braccio, Boateng, calcio di rigore netto dell'Inter allo scadere del secondo tempo della partita, netto il rigore per l'Inter. lo batte Lukaku, vediamo se fa il 5-0. Lukaku il tira, gol 5-0. Che giocata dell'Inter, che partita dell'Inter, ragazzi. Entusiasmo fra il pubblico, grande calcio di rigore di Lukaku, meritato il suo gol, ha disputato una grande partita e così si conclude questa partita. Ovviamente l'Inter
The Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummels plays alongside Dan Axel Zagadou at the back. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And in attack, there are 3 forwards today. This is the Liverpool side. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt it.
Witsel. The referee, well, he saw it clearly, and he obviously didn't like what he saw. That at any time in the match is a yellow card offence, and he's not going to escape the booking simply because it's this early.
No, he dived in. I don't think he or anybody else can have any complaints about that.
Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. He's seen that room is on the inside. Well read by the defender. Henderson. Robertson. Corner this now does look promising. It's Mane. Went for the cross. Well, the referee had a good look at the player who was down and decided it was serious enough to stop the game. Emre Can. Axel Witsel. Set up to play on the break now. Really at the extent of his... It's offside.
You're going to be an in-swinger or an out-swinger. He can deliver these with both feet.
Put in with a bit of curl on it, and they get it away. And that was a very well-timed tackle. Put into the middle. The hard work pays off for Borussia Dortmund.
Well, talk about getting your reward for hard graft. They've been at it from the start. Oh, as I said to forward, I could appreciate the movement in the box there, and certainly the header at the end of it.
A good look here, again, via the replay of the goal. Their stride yet?
No, haven't found their rhythm at all.
They'll be annoyed with the cross because it was the goalkeeper's ball all the way. Wijnaldum, Joel Matip, Roberto Firmino, Henderson, and that's no trouble. Wijnaldum, Fabinho, on to Henderson, Jorginho, Wijnaldum. They look at the ref, and he says penalty.
Didn't hesitate, did he? Pointed to the spot.
Well, this is an awful way to lose a lead, really. They're going to lose a player. It was a penalty, and the red card has been shown.
Well, it was a penalty, Martin, yes, and having been in front, they're going to the work cut out to actually win this match now.
From the end, wasn't going to be boxed out. Not the best penalty, but a very Very good save.
Well, he's moving on the line. He makes the goal look small.
Oh, it's a dreadful penalty. Alan Smith.
He fancies this. I think that's a lot. Single-minded lad. He's going to go for goal.
It's great defending, but the build-up is patient. Roberto Firmino. Maybe he'll cross it here. Jorginho Wijnaldum trying to run off the shoulder of the last player offside. Mohamed Salah. And that's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. Simply trying to find an opportunity. What about this for a shot? Optimistic. Milner. Roberto Firmino. Firmino! Goal! Liverpool are level.
It had been coming. The tide had turned. Always gets involved, this manager. Loves to hug his players after a goal. Great scenes. A goal from Roberto Firmino. And what a finish this was. Really did put his boot through it to find the left-hand side.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? Axel Witsel. Now they can swing into attack, and he's got some help. Rice! The keeper doing his... Now Keita. Could be a cross here, it could be dangerous. Oh, the attackers come in, near post.
Le abbiamo dato un cuore da 190 cavalli, potente, nato dalla Formula 1, preparato per la guida su strada. Il suo nome è BMW 320 IS 4 valvole. Datele strada se la incontrate.
Ma se decido di sai che c'è una piccola culla grande così? Andiamo lì, grande così. Esagerando. Grande così. È grande così. Ma se decido di esagerare.
Lo sai che c'è un pacchetto di Golia grande così? Ma insomma, quanto è grande sta Golia?
Mangia gran Golia.
United, De Gea, Wan-Bissaka, Lindelof, Maguire, Shaw, Pogba, McTominay, Mata, Bruno Fernandes, Martial u Rashford. Fil-waqt li minnaħa l-oħra għal Juventus għanna lil Szczesny bejn il-lasti, Quadrado, Chiellini, Delict u Aleksandro, Pjanic, Matuidi, Ramsey, Bernardeschi, Dybala u Cristiano Ronaldo. Il-formazzjoni ta' Juventus okkur naraw il-Dybala li mill-ewwel. Wan-Bissaka bil-ballun fuq il-lemin, ballun twil illi jieħu Szczesny hemmhekk. Pogba, McTominay, Rashford, ballun barra. Fatwa corner għal United illi Szczesny jilqa tajjeb. Martial, attenzjoni Martial li mura l-cross, Marcus Rashford ix-xotto gowl. Marcus Rashford. Manchester United mor fil-vantaġġ u xej għarra Devils wara 20 minuta lob. Jiskurja il-plejer bin-numru 10 Marcus Rashford. Azzjoni maħduma tajjeb u United li mill-ewwel irrispondew għal dan il-gowl skurjat mill-attakkant żagħżugħ Ingliż Marcus Rashford li huwa wkoll il-5 gowl tiegħu f'dan it-turnament. Xej li ma seta jagħmel f'dan l-istadju appuntu Szczesny il-ħames il-Quadrado. Quadrado l-Bernardeschi, Matuidi, Dybala xut De Gea. Quadrado jqassam il-Dybala, Dybala l-Matuidi, Bernardeschi, attenzjoni, ċansa Cristiano Ronaldo, xut, Cristiano Ronaldo, il-gol tal-Alex, 1-1. Ġustament Cristiano Ronaldo mhuwiex qiegħed jifraħ bil-mod espliċitu li qed jifraħ is-soltu qed naraw jifraħ b'mod kontenut wara dan ix-xott li issarra fit-tieni gowl għall-istilla Portugiża f'dan it-turnament u l-logħba għal darb'oħra Ramsey. Ballun twila l-Pawlo Dybala, xott jilqa' tajjeb De Gea, Bernardeschi darb'oħra, United jiktirjaw. Bernardeschi, Ramsey, Matuidi, attenzjoni. Dybala, xott barra. Alexandro, attenzjoni xott ta' Bentancur u jilqa' darb'oħra De Gea. Free kick. De Gea jilqa' faċilment ta' Turin. Matuidi, Ronaldo. Ramsey, Ronaldo, Matuidi, shot, safe check.
This Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Clément Lenglet plays alongside Piqué in the middle of the defence. Arturo Vidal plays with Sergio Busquets in central midfield, and the defenders had better be on their toes because leading the line is Luis Suarez. And Milan's lineup looks like this. The goalkeeper is the precocious Gianluigi Donnarumma. Theo Hernandez starts with Davide Calabria in the fullback positions. Lucas Biglia plays with Franck Yannick Kessié in the centre of midfield. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. And now Sergio Roberto. And Artur again. Well, he took care of it defensively. And that is offside. Well, that's the kind of play you want from your defender. Çalhanoğlu, and now Bonaventura, and the decision is one of offside here. It's with Çalhanoğlu. Well, they're moving the ball neatly enough, just looking for that decisive pass. Can't miss, surely! It looked as though he might have been onside, but he was just a fraction off.
Oh, I'm not so sure. I'd like to see that again.
De Calabria. Kerr has it. Kessié. Ibrahimovic. As an attacking player, you rather hope you'll get the decision in your favour, but offside here.
Yeah, the defence got that spot on, and so did the linesman.
Now Busquets. Messi. Sergio Roberto. I think everyone knew that was foul play, and the referee left with little choice but to award the free kick. And the offence sufficiently sinister to warrant a yellow card.
Yes, agree with that one, Derek. He's got to be careful now.
Bonaventura, and now Biglia. Bonaventura here. High degree of difficulty. So the corner played into the box. Lionel Messi. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Got to it easily, the keeper. Vidal. Can he give them the lead? A goal it is, at long last. They've broken the deadlock.
Well, it's been so close, this game. Tactics have played a part. Now they're going to have to change the tactics and see what happens. Well, as we can see, the keeper's done his best, but there's nothing he can do from there. He's not going to miss that one.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored.
Well, he's got to be delighted with his players. A big smile on his face. They've got the noses in front. They're in the lead. Well done.
And he takes on the shot. So a throw in to restart things. Frankie de Jong. He has teammates to play it to. Sergio Busquets. Arturo Vidal. Busquets. De Jong. He's got to score! And a fine stop. Sergio Roberto. Can't miss, surely. Griezmann. And this time, it's in. And that is not going to count. The decision is offside, Lee.
Well, it's a good decision from the assistant referee. Spot on there.